What's up, guys?
Hello guys, it's Jovan, and you know what time it is?
So this is my new snowmobile. This thing does not run right. We're gonna figure out what's going on. It is very cold out. So I tried to record the teardown process of this top end, and my storage was full. So I went last night and deleted everything. Whole bunch of stuff. But here we are right now. Got everything disconnected. Top end's out. I just got the first piston out. And this is the one that was 60 PSI.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
I mean, it looks decent. Some scoring. But I'm sure the rings are gone. Look at that. It's always such a beautiful thing to get a nice new piston. Gotta love it, gotta love it.
What is he doing?
Sorry, quarters over here. Oh. That one is out. Out! Since I'm not reusing these pistons, I'm gonna beat on them a little bit. So I found an awesome way to get this out. 1/2-inch extension. But I mean, come on, that's perfect. So let's do it. Oh wait, wrong side. There we go. And she's out. Piston number 2. I mean, everything looks fine, which is kind of concerning me. Maybe it's not the piston rings and shit.
Whoa! 44, that's me! Do you see me fucking laughing, my nigga?
Oh, hey, I'm just about to go to bed. I know we couldn't Skype tonight, but that's alright. Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow.